Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to withdraw money from Binance. First, you will need to log into your account and navigate to the Withdrawal section. It is crucial to ensure your account has completed identity verification, often called KYC, to enable full withdrawal capabilities. You should also be aware of the specific daily withdrawal limits that apply to your account level, which can vary significantly. This initial step sets the foundation for a smooth transaction. Next, you will select your desired withdrawal method, whether it is a fiat currency like US dollars or a specific cryptocurrency. For crypto, accurately input the recipient's wallet address and choose the correct network. For fiat, provide precise bank account details. Always double-check every single character of the address or account number. A small error can lead to irreversible loss of funds, so take your time and confirm any associated transaction fees. After entering your details, a summary of your withdrawal will appear. Review this information meticulously to ensure everything is correct before proceeding. You will then be prompted to complete security verification, which often includes two-factor authentication via email, SMS, or an authenticator app. Once confirmed, your withdrawal request will be processed. Most cryptocurrency withdrawals are completed within minutes, while fiat withdrawals might take a few hours to several business days. To ensure a smooth experience, always verify all withdrawal details at least twice before confirming. Be aware of the minimum withdrawal amounts for both fiat and crypto, as these can vary. Also, understand the fees associated with each withdrawal method, which are clearly displayed. If you encounter any issues, such as a delayed transaction or an incorrect address, do not hesitate to contact Binance customer support immediately for assistance. They are there to help you.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.